Greetings, I'm Chirag.
I'm Chiranth.
And I am Divith.
Together we form the team EcoWeb from Excel Public School.
Our product needed a lot of research and surveying. We primarily took surveys from teachers and students of grades 6 and 7 as the model of food web can be used primarily for their age learning.
The genesis of our project was sparked by a profound observation of an ongoing environmental challenge.
The escalating threat to biodiversity and ecosystems prompted our team to contribute towards raising awareness about the intricate balance within an ecosystem. We chose Bandipur, a dry deciduous tropical mixed deciduous forest, as the ecosystem that we wanted to display. We chose this particular forest because it is just about 2 hours from Mysore.
Our objective is to address this concern through our project EcoWeb.
Our model provides a comprehensive 360-degree view of an ecosystem. The Disrupt button feature allows users to witness immediate impacts of offering an immersive learning experience.
It is not merely a model, it serves as a sophisticated tool to comprehend and engage with the dynamic nature of ecosystems.
The development journey required meticulous efforts. Chirag, would you elaborate on the coding aspect?
Certainly, I assume the responsibility for the coding, ensuring the model's seamless functionality.
Concurrently, I manage the intricate circuitry, ensuring a harmonious integration of all components.
We have used many products in making our project EcoWeb. We have used Max 7219 LED Matrix 8x8 boards, Adreno Mega LEDs, and other products like Sunboard. How to use our product? We need to start by plugging the 5-volt adapter with the Adreno and giving it power.
Then we need to wait until the LEDs boot up and ask to press input key.
When the model asks to press the input key, you can press any one of the two buttons on the model and start the game.
At start, it would show the initial population and then would show the disrupted population.
Our model would help in understanding the way how nature works, what eats and what's get eaten.
Community engagement played a pivotal role. Insights from local mentors and our school institution shaped the project significantly.
In essence, a dynamic food web model transcends being a mere project. It symbolizes a concerted effort towards understanding and conserving our environment.
We are Team EcoWeb, driven by a commitment to effect positive changes. Thank you.